Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: SQL Server installed, TCP/IP enabled, and a database with credentials. Next, open Visual Studio and add the Microsoft Data SQL Client package. This provides the ADO/NET driver. Once done, create a simple class to hold your connection string and store it in app settings, JSON or config for safety. Make sure to use integrated security versus SQL auth only if your environment supports Windows authentication. This gets you ready to open a connection. You now implement the connection and commands. Create a SQL connection with your connection string and wrap it in a using block to ensure disposal. Then prepare a SQL command with command text and command type and add SQL parameter objects for inputs. This prevents SQL injection and improves plan reuse. If you need rows, call execute reader and iterate with read. For single values, use execute scalar. For DML use, execute non-query. Once done, close or dispose, exceptions should be caught and logged for diagnostics. You finish by organizing data access. Map SQL data reader rows to POCO models or adopt Dapper or Entity Framework Core when appropriate to speed development. Then optimize. Rely on connection pooling, prefer async methods such as open async and execute reader async, and parameterize all commands. Finally, add logging and simple retry logic for transient faults. If things go wrong, check firewall, SQL Server services, and credentials first. Enable detailed error messages and inspect the connection string for typos as your primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.